What's up, gang? How we doing, fam? Getting ready to start the first trading day. Well, with you guys. But boom, boom, boom. Hello. How we doing? Doing great. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. La la la, la la la, la la la. Do do da da da. Boom boom ba da da. Ooh do da da da. I don't know what I'm doing right now, but what's up, y'all? Ready for the first trading day? I've been over here analyzing since 8:30. Got fucking looking at the 1 hour chart right now. Let's get on to the 15 minute. But really, what we're looking at here is yesterday for the holiday we had New York um consolidate this London liquidity sweep down here. Fucking swept this liquidity out from over here. See it better on the 1 hour chart. Um, and then 6 p.m. came around and no trade session until 8, but somebody put in a shit ton of orders and Tokyo consolidated and London is breaking out again for another liquidity sweep. I hope we have this. What I'm looking for is this liquidity sweep up here. I would like to see a liquidity sweep and you know, like, cause it's just inevitable. My flight twice. Like, yeah, once we sweep this liquidity up here, I am having a very good feeling for a big old drop today. I'm looking for short positions. My daily bias is I wanna stay down. I'd like to go to down. I'm looking pretty bearish with all the war news. And I understand. I mean, yeah, we got to break a structure on the 1 hour. Going up. So we have this break of structure on the 1 hour here, and but like I said, we had this liquidity zone of here, and all these orders from last night and this morning are going to sell off for the weekend, and I'd like to see us hit here or here, and probably not down here because I don't know what the fuck we were doing yesterday. I didn't even look at the charts yesterday. But man, oh man, market opens in about 25 minutes. So really, it's just sitting here waiting for 25 minutes, it looks like. But I mean, with this drop we had what yesterday and Wednesday's trading session, like it's liquidity sweep here. We rally. But right, we've really just been trading sideways. Like the market's been moving sideways for like a week now, almost, in my opinion. But maybe not. Kinda, yeah. So maybe Friday we ended up here and break through the motherfucking. Nah, but we're gonna respect it. Respects here, we respect here. And it's the last day of the week. We're probably gonna end up respecting this fair value gap on the weekly, and yeah. The craziest part to me is Last night we were literally all like we were literally here last night. We were the Wick last night. That's the crazy part is, but crazy. Yeah, I think this is just a liquidity sweep or a draw on liquidity. Let's go to the daily. To my core. Maybe it could be next leg up too. Who fucking knows, eh? I mean, coming off guard. I'm jury off guard. Shorty I thought. Someone. Looking forward. Let me know more. I can't let go. Sorry, I got the motherfucking Post Malone in my ear, and I'm over here just so like. Sorry, I'll stop. Um, I mean, Price is either gonna do one of two things. It's either gonna go to magnet up here, a order block, fair value gap up here, or it's gonna fall down to one of these. Like it's how Price moves. It's magnets. It's magnets to order blocks. It magnets to fair value gaps. It magnets to equilibrium. Like it fucking. It's just how the market moves, man. Liquidity sweep, boom, rally, like liquidity sweep, boom, rally. Liquidity sweep, boom, rally. Like it's easy, bro. Same thing for the downside. Liquidity sweep, boom. It's like liquidity sweep, boom. Liquidity sweep, no. Liquidity sweep, rallied. But yeah. No, I was wrong there. Liquidity sweep, boom. But yeah, this is how the market moves, man. It's always gonna do one or two things, up or down. And also, don't be clowning on my camera. Today is the last day with this motherfucking laptop camera. Got the new one coming. Amazon $20. But I'm tired. The blueprint is believing in yourself. The cheat code is discipline and consistency. The truth is nobody's coming to save you. Back it with patience. Dedication. Yeah. Dedication. Alright. Like, let's start doing my thing. Like, why, bro? I hate this. Like, I'm probably not even gonna trade today, to be real. Like, honestly, I might not even trade. Like, this is disgusting. It's like looking at a 30-second chart. Like, it's disgusting. Like, I looked at it and I had to go on to, like, over here and I was just messing with, like, what The fuck? Gotta scale out. The only like if you're trading today, it's gotta be on a large time frame. Like that's disgusting. Even this, look at this. Last night on the 5 minute. Like I was looking at it last night and I was just like disgusted, bro. All this Trump news with the war, him just like get off social media, man. It's not our war. It's not our fight, bro. It has nothing to do with us. Shit just like it doesn't even make me mad about this market and how price action moves. It just makes me mad in general. Those are our men and women that we're fucking risking lives for other countries because we're in debt to them. Maybe don't go in debt to other nations that will have you by the balls for the rest of eternity. It's fucking crazy, dude. So I'm saying, get the fuck out of America. Save your riches. Save your mental health, bro. I'm fucking so bad here, fucking because of how America operates. You look at it from an outside perspective, it's a rat race, bro. This place is a rat race. That's all this America is, bro. Motherfucking rat race. Get the bug out. Ah, equilibrium, equilibrium. All right, please, please, with the market open, please. No, it's still going up. Look at how these hedge funds are just driving price. No one else but fucking hedge funds is driving price right now. The banks, the wallet, like they are driving. They were working third last night. Little did we know they were working third last night. The Jews were working third last night. Look at this. Literally, Ted Cruz was on his knees last night sucking dick. You can tell. Fucking Benjamin, blah, 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 whatever his last name is, was on his knees last night. Well, not Trump was on his knees for him last night. As you can see, we had a fucking. The Jews were working, brother. Someone had orders last night, and it wasn't us! It don't look like it was any other people besides banks either. Look at these like a 15-minute candle, bro. Okay, I mean that's not really bad. That's not really bad, but in 1 hour, bro, like in 2 hours, we're going from 200, like almost 300 motherfucking 300, like motherfucking. Could have made like 20 racks last night off one contract. If I would have bought it, if I would have been here exactly at 6 p.m., I'd be up 20 racks on one contract right now. That's all right. No, I'm just fucking with you, bro. We got 15 minutes till market open. Iranian officials say Iran is ready to discuss limitations on uranium enrichment. Yo, that is huge. It was posted by Bongino. I mean, he is a semi semi reliable source. Let's do our research. Let's do our research. Market will explode. Israel's gonna look at this and say, "Fuck you, no, we want you." Yahoo! Zero enrichment will be rejected. The coincide on a mall about like Michael can't really trust nobody. Yeah, they hit them hard last night. We attacked, well, we, when I say we, I mean Israel, fucking, probably the UK, fucking, us. Our special operations were probably the ones involved in it, but there were attacks on Tehran last night, so, however you say it, but their capital. They, they got in there and attacked them last night. Uh, so they probably are like, please. Daddy Trump probably sent them a picture of them all hanging out. Probably dropped the location on them. So look, bro. 34 felonies, been hit twice, bro. Psh, I don't miss. He said I don't miss. That shit's funny. That's crazy. Well, if that's the news. And my shit just stopped working. Cool. 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 The fuck? I just like cut out. Market opens in 9 minutes too. But my Wi-Fi just took a shit, bro. It's literally fucking. We had storms 2 days ago, and we didn't have Wi-Fi all day yesterday. It came back on last night at midnight, and it's been on all night, and I've been using it all morning. It just randomly shut off. Oh, there it goes. Hell no, no, it doesn't. It doesn't go. And it's just looking for online. I'm finna call Spectrum and call me on a day hums. No, bro. On GDK on 4PF. You're slat. Bro, I need to get this Wi-Fi going, bro. Bro. Brother. Brotherin. Uh, hey. Wow. There you have it, boys. That's our trading session for the day. Let me see what this does. Yeah, we ain't gonna get shit, bro. I'm in the basement, dude. This is the shit I like. It's been working all morning. Oh, yo, it hit my line. It hit my line. It hit my line. That's a win in my book. I knew where Price wanted to go. Oh my God. Imagine if I would have bought. No, I'm just kidding. It's fucking 50 tick move. You're literally risking what you're winning on that. Because you would have been in. You don't even trade. Yeah, one thing about our strategy, guys. We don't trade pre-market unless it's like 5 minutes until market open. And we ain't hopping into shit in pre-market. I mean, it looks nice, but when market opens, it might disrespect the fuck out of you. Being real. Just being real. Hey, look, we started retracement when we hit my little mark up there, and now we're starting retracement. Isn't that crazy? Dude, that's a win. That is a W. But where will we retrace to, Poppy? Where will Daddy D put us? Who's calling me? Oh, your call has been for. Ain't me she wants to talk to. Like, how did the Wi-Fi take a shit again? That's my question. I need to go look at this. Sorry, I'm back again. Looking at the Wi-Fi. Trying to get this shit done. Fixed. Or not done. Fixed. This has been on all morning, 5 minutes before market opens. Here we go. It just wants to shit on me. Shit makes me so annoyed. Blah, da, da. We're looking for a breaking structure on the 5-minute chart. Once we get a breaking structure on the 5-minute chart, that's my entry. I don't give a fuck. Yeah. High, low, let the breaking structure be right here. I'm telling you, bro. This shit's about to tank. No, I'm just kidding. I don't even know. Yo, 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 please, 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 please. No, I'm sorry. I'm just messing up today, guys. I don't even know what I'm doing. Let's be real. Maybe market might open strong as shit. Yeah. And look, it does. What I mean, literally just a 40-point move. Oh, 40. Yeah, you know what I mean. But like, that's insane, dude. Market ain't even open yet. Sweep this liquidity and get us the fuck out. Flashlight twice. A break structure with fair value gap attached, and it's a fucking strong one. Dude, this is the most real candlesticks I've seen in like 12 hours. But we're gonna be patient here because fucking it literally just jumped another 40. Something like they're driving up price. So, they're making money. They're about to start selling. They're trying to get these orders filled so they can fill their sales. They know what they're doing. Let me just close everything besides. Now it says our Wi-Fi is back on. Like, this shit makes no sense. Let's see. Mark it open. No, it's not. Oh, maybe it is. Yeah. Yeah, Bobby. Yeah, Bobby. Yeah, Bobby. Yeah, Bobby. Wi-Fi is back, Bobby. Market's open. What are we doing here? Like, dude, are we serious? Yeah, we're fucking serious right now. And then this one over here is working just like, what's going on, dude? I can't win. Still frozen. I'm probably not. I'm about to be just done. This is retarded. Makes no like 2 minutes in the market open, my shit just wants to crash. Makes no sense. I and it still just crashed. SPX is working. Close without saving. Fuck that. Fuck that tab. Alright. Let's start a new one. My god, dude! I'm about to be Yeah, I don't know. It's still not working. So I'm really upset now. I'm not I don't understand why though. It doesn't make any sense. Like I have nothing on here. Close without saving. Close. Remove. Delete permanently. Remove. Delete permanently. I just deleted all my NQ tabs. I and then it's gonna tell me to sign in again. But the chart's not even on. Let me see if I can open it in Safari. Yeah, it doesn't even work in Safari. Air unauthorized. That's I'm about to be spaz, bro. I'm probably gonna spaz. Yeah, it's not even working in Safari. Q1. I fixed it, guys. I figured out my problem. It was me, not this. I think. I was on the wrong contract. Oops. Hello, fucking hell. Alright, anyways. Fuck, now I gotta mark everything back out. LOL. Yeah, we are not trading this. No. Jeez. Wherever that needs to go, but we use it from. I don't talk much when I trade. I'm sorry. I get really locked in. Stay focused. Mind on the money, money on the mind. And then I just had to reset all that shit. But we gotta figure it out. AP's like that. So thank you for staying patient with me. And give me 1 second now again. Alright, brother. Daddy good friend. Daddy good friend. Daddy good friend. Bro, that shit makes no sense. You can't even I can't even go full screen. Alright, brother. I gotta stay on the front screen for you guys even seeing me, brother. Brother. Golly. I'm trying to pick up on my accent, brother. Matrix. Matrix. Basic. Fucking. AP's got bad back problems, bro. I mean, it's not choppy as shit. Like, weird, but waiting for a. We have our liquidity sweep. Now we're breaking for a breaking structure. Right now we got our current low to break down here. Um, right, we're gaining more momentum. There we go. Okay. We respected the fair value gap. Bangers. But guys, I don't know, man. Chen Chen. Here you go. This banger. Oh, we got it, brother. We got it, brother. Whoa. My main girl, fuck a mistress. Oh, I still heard it like a wristlet. Oh, I'm a misfit. That's how I be jamming, bro. If we get rich, oh. Mistress, oh. Like a wristlet. Oh, I'm a misfit. That's crazy. Give me a thing tonight. 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 Fucking some twins tonight. So I'll forget tonight. What the hell? I almost missed my flight twice. Almost on the same thing. Right. Almost died on the next to last flight. I was pretty cool in my last life. Girl from the mistress. Still hurt. Still in misfit. First thing on my mind, let's get rich. One main girl from the mistress. Still no, sir. Nope, no breaking structure. Filled more orders down here. Let's see. Right where for value gap is too. They're running out of bowls. Running out of bowls. Did they randomly pop up over here? No. They're probably about to get invalidated for real. Fuck. Alright, we're getting out of that one. I didn't like how it was touching equilibrium and kept popping off of it. So and then look, it plays out. I might get back in this. Yeah, brother. That's exactly what I would have needed, though. I would have been. Fuck. The second time I've done that to myself in a week. I might get out of this right here at 500. 600. We'll take it. It's a liquidity sweep right there. Boom, that leaves a balance 396 for the day. It's a win, man. Could have been more. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, but coulda, coulda, woulda, bit. But we up. We'll take that. We'll take that dub. A win's a win. My trade, it played out perfectly. We had the liquidity sweep, break a structure. I should have stayed in the first time. I didn't like how I was bouncing off the equilibrium, so I got out. And then I re-entered on that break through the equilibrium. Um, and then we took what we broke. We got rid of our losses. Fucking A, dude. Why? I just break shit. But we broke our losses from 2 days ago. and the first stupid ass trade, and man, that's all you can ask for right there is bread. So we end the week on a good note, hopefully. Let's just watch what the charts do for a little bit longer. It's not even 10 o'clock yet, and we'll probably get out of here. Fucking, I might open a trade. I'm working on another combine. I did start another combine, as you guys can see right here. I do have another combine next to my Express account. I did start another combine because I just want to start trying to scale this, start trying to scale Top Step. This current Express I'm on, it is payout eligible. I have no problem with popping it up right now for you guys to show you that it is payout eligible. Uh, like, I'll walk you guys through exactly like what I did. This is my journey. So I'm gonna be as fucking open with you guys as possible. Like I don't hold shit back. I won't ever lie. I'm not a liar. But see, so as you guys see, it's been rough. It's been rough the first 9 days. Now it's day 10, but we have got our balance back up to right in here. I mean, can't really complain. We were up here, and then Wednesday was a really bad mental day. This is the day Wednesday was the day I became payout eligible, and I did not know that with Topset's policy that when you cash out for the first time, your max loss limit then resets to 0. So after you cash out for your first payout, your max loss limit is then 0. So if you enter a trade and you go into any kind of loss and you did a full cash out and your bank and your 0 balance, you start losing on your trade, getting margin call. Margin call, baby. Reset that account, bitch. So no, we wasn't making that mistake. And then the very next Wednesday morning, it was bad mental day. I had lost my first 2 trades. Normally I'd get off after 2 losses, and I just threw that out the window. Placed one more, and I hit my loss limit for the day. Emotions will make you and break you, like I said in day 1. It's all about just how bad you want it and how far you're willing to go. It's 3 things: discipline, patience, risk management. You use those 3 things day in and day out, you're gonna go far. I like, no doubt, 100%. There's no doubt in my mind you won't go far. But yep, there it is for you. That Top Step is payout eligible. Very payout eligible. We're just building the account balance. The smartest thing to do when you're on your first funded and you're working for that payout, really, it's your payouts. You're not going week by week in trading. The P&L, it matters at the end of the month and at the end of the year. Like, so in my opinion, you get that first month on there, you want to scale as much as you can within that first month. I'm on day 9. I got 20 more days. Okay, well, not 20 more trading days, but hold on, let's open our calendar here. We have, we're right here, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have Independence Day next Friday, so 9. We have 9 more trading days this month. I I'm not worried because I'm only 9 days on the account, so that didn't even put me a full month. So let's go day 10. So I would have been here. I got on it here last Monday. Boom. Day 10. So I have 25, 9. It matters here. Talk to me on the 18th. On the 18th or whatever, y'all can talk to me. That's when my P&L will really matter and what the balance of my account will matter, because that's when I'm looking to take my first payout. I'm looking to get my first payout after a full month. I want to scale this account for a month. If you can stay on a funded account for 1 whole month, bro, you're literally at the tipping point of financial freedom, because you scale the account for now a month now, you build a balance up, you build a huge buffer up. and then you take your first payout and you start scaling Top Steps accounts, and next thing you know, you're taking 10K payout, 10K payout, 10K payout, 10K payout. Fucking it's like that. I mean, the 10K payout, I mean, if it after 30 days, you get moved to the Express Live, like the actual live, I believe. If you have uh winning days. So I'm not really sure 100%, but in my opinion, just wait a month. Scale the account for a month. After 1 month of scaling the account, boom. Take your first little 10%, take your little band, take your little $500, post out your certificate, haha, I got my first payout certificate, blah, blah, blah. Nobody's seen that whole month, though, that you just grinded your dick off. I promise, bro. And if I would have just held through this whole trade, I'd be so rich right now. But yeah, we never even wiped out Tokyo. Asia's highs. But man, nice little trading session there. Wasn't bad. As we boom boom boom. Yeah, I need to do this. Hey, brother. Hey, brother. Count somebody. What else? Two. Here, dick. Doot doot doot. Doot doot doot. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. It tanked just like AP wanted it to. See, that's a win. That should be a win. That right there should be a win. See me over here keep on looking at the charts, keep on looking at the charts. I'm over here looking for another position, bro. I'm over here trying to find like Austin, you need to stop. Like, see? It's between the ears, bro. I promise. It's between the fucking ears. All of it is. So you need to get your fucking journal out. Start writing down these emotions. Get your fucking head off this. The only way you're taking a motherfucker is if you're gonna see the chart start boom, 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 break a structure fair value gap, boom, A plus setup. We ain't taking nothing else. And it's definitely not gonna be on the motherfucking express. So if anything, we're switching over here. We're off the express. Like off the express. All right. If we want to, we're taking any more orders. It's going to be on the combine, but probably not. If I should have just fucking copy traded it. I don't know how to set up the copy trade. Cannot lie. Don't know how to set up the copy trader. But I don't want to figure that out, brother. I don't want to figure that out. Anyways. Oh, see, we're running out of bears because what did we have? Let's scale it up. Let's scale it up, brother. We had a liquidity sweep. We had a liquidity sweep on the 5-minute chart. On the 5-minute chart, brother. We had the liquidity sweep. And then, boom, what do we have on the 15? On the 15-minute chart, brother. Yo, it could still tank. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Alright, write down your emotions. It's Friday. What is the date? June 20th. Was I patient? I was very fucking patient. No, I wasn't. I was not patient. I didn't fucking wait for my full take profit. All right. If I'm gonna wait for a stop loss, I'm gonna wait for a take profit. No. But I was patient and waiting for the setup though. I was patient and sticking to my daily bias. I was disciplined and sticking to my daily bias. I was disciplined and taking a trade only off my daily bias. And I was disciplined on My strategy. Liquidity sweep. Oh, if you guys could see me touching it. There's a liquidity sweep. Boom, 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 boom. Liquidity. But then we had to break the structure, brother. And then boom, it was on an entry. And then we got out of the first one when the equilibrium getting tapped on. And next thing you know, we was at the next leg down. We was the next leg down. But my theory was right because this price up here never got touched again. So yes, it was a liquidity sweep. Full fair, blah, 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 liquidity sweeps. Okay, so we got a low here. Here's our high. Boom. Can we get past this high? Probably not. We're going to keep breaking lower. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, liquidity sweep. Boom. See, like, it's just how the markets move, man. It's just how the markets move, man. Alright, when you're on a combine, you're allowed to risk 500 to make a band. Well, we want to go for, like, you're allowed to do this on combine side. Only because Daddy AP says so. You're not allowed to full port, though. You're never allowed to full port. We don't full port until you get to your live account. When you get to your live account, you can full port all you want. Alright. It's your account. So do your thing. But in my opinion, don't full port. If you full port and I find out about it, I might spank you. Don't full port. Brother! If it breaks structure with the fair value gap attached off the liquidity sweep, you might see Daddy AP. Let's try something here. Sorry. Takes balls to do this shit. Yeah. Get on the game and act a little slow. Hey. Leave a little bit of buffer. But we're probably gonna get stopped out. Idea was not right because it was not a break structure. See? Boom. it respected the fuck out of that fair value gap. You know, sometimes getting an early entry means being a little fucking ballsy, alright? You was a little fucking ballsy there. It's okay. It's okay. It wasn't the true liquidity sweep. It's just. They said Wall Street set to open higher with Trump's Middle East decision in focus, and it just tanks. That's what's funny. But stuck to the daily bias on the Express, per always. And, I mean, gots to. You'd have to stick to your bias. Alright, take one more trade on this motherfucking combine. Look for another setup because that was not good. Alright, we're fucking doing this. So I'm just kidding, bro. Right into that order block though. Is where it's at. That's the sexy part. That's what almost makes me want to do it. It's because it's at that fucking order block. Because I know Price just wants to magnet right to it. It's a go, puppy. It's a go all the way there. What a brother. Could go down to that order cock there. Would it be nice? Yeah. It's okay, brother. But we are going to need to get out of this if we can get the break even. Just kidding. Mama didn't raise no bitch. No, I'm just kidding. I'm probably gonna get out of this. Oh man, it's 10:11, man. Well, that was a great training day with you guys. Overall, to win combine, only took a little fucking $500 fucking loss. Fuck you. But here on the Express, we took a dub. We took a dub. We got our account balance back in the profit for the month, which is very good. Very happy about that. Um, that's a win in my book. Always will be a win in my book. Finishing the day in profit. So a little bit, $450 day, fucking, because the account was minus $50 when we opened this morning. So we made a little bit close to 450, something like that, some shot. But I mean, fucking, we already moved on. Like, the market's made its move for the day. I ain't got nothing. I ain't got nothing the fuck else, man. Cause just remember, it ain't about the payouts. It's about, did you execute daily? Did you execute your plan daily? And did you execute your setup daily? Well, my setup, kind of. I mean, I took a win. Win's a win. I just got out of it a little bit too early, brother. A little bit too early. We would have had a full TP, but that is my fault. That is my fault. That is my fault. A win is a win until we get on the very, very live account where we have full capital. Then this is a win, in my opinion. But, anyways, we'll leave you guys with that. Thank you for tuning in if you tuned in on the great trading day. Anyways, go touch some grass today. Go to the gym. Go do something. Me personally, I'm about to go do my first workout of the day. But y'all motherfuckers need to go touch some grass. Go do something. Don't just stare and look at the charts. As me personally, saying bye-bye to them. See you, NASDAQ. And then bye-bye. See you guys later.